All right, today we are going to a family reunion. And yeah, you think you know this family, the terrifying, undisputed superstars of the ocean. But I promise you, by the end of this, you are going to meet some relatives so unexpected you'll question everything you thought you knew about sharks.
Of course, we all know the most famous member, the great white shark. It's the undisputed king of the seas today, a perfectly engineered apex predator that commands both our fear and, let's be honest, our total fascination.
And then there's the legend. You've definitely heard of its prehistoric ancestor, the Megalodon. A true icon of the ancient oceans, this was the largest and most powerful predatory shark that has ever lived. I mean, we're talking about a creature of mythic proportions. But here's the thing. This family is so much more than just its two most famous predators. This family reunion is absolutely packed with surprises that are going to completely change how you see sharks forever. So first things first, let's quickly set the stage with the members everyone already knows and talks about. You know, the Hollywood A-listers of the shark world. So, the great white and the legendary Megalodon, they both belong to the scientific order called Lamniformes, or mackerel sharks. You can basically think of this group as the royal family of ocean predators, absolutely renowned for producing the ultimate hunters. Okay, but what if I told you that these top-tier predators share a family tree with some of the most peaceful, placid giants in the entire ocean? It sounds totally impossible, I know, but it is absolutely true. And this is where it gets really fascinating. I mean, look at this. On one side, you have the great white, a powerful, fearsome ambush predator. And on the other, its close relative, the basking shark. This enormous creature couldn't be more different. It is a completely harmless filter feeder that just cruises around eating microscopic plankton. And the basking shark isn't some weird fluke either. The family also includes the incredibly rare megamouth shark, which is another massive and totally harmless filter feeder. So the huge takeaway here is this. Just because you're a lamniform shark, a relative of Megalodon, it does not automatically make you a top predator. Now let's go even deeper, because believe me, the family tree gets a whole lot stranger. It is time to meet the reclusive and frankly, very weird relatives from the deep sea. Say hello to the goblin shark. This bizarre creature looks like it swam right out of a prehistoric nightmare. With its flabby, pinkish skin and that long, blade-like snout, it's a true living fossil that just lurks in the deep ocean darkness. And its hunting method? It's just insane. It uses that long snout to detect the faint electrical fields of its prey hiding in the dark. Then, instead of just biting, it unhinges its entire jaw structure and launches it forward like a biological catapult. It's this terrifying lightning-fast attack to snatch unsuspecting fish right out of the darkness. Okay, so not all the lesser-known relatives are strange-looking or gentle. Some of them are just incredibly specialized hunters that have come up with completely unique ways to catch their food.
Take a look at this number, 50%. What could that possibly mean? It's not their kill rate, it's not the size of their brain. No, it's the percentage of a thresher shark's total body length that is just its tail.
That's right, half of this shark's entire body is a giant whip-like tail. And instead of relying on a powerful bite like a great white, the thresher shark literally weaponizes its tail, cracking it through the water to stun or even kill whole schools of fish before it calmly eats them. It is an incredibly clever and effective strategy. So, we've met the gentle giant, the deep-sea weirdo, and the whip-tailed hunter. Let's kind of zoom out now and put it all together to see what this family portrait really looks like. When you see them all lined up like this, you realize this isn't just a family of killers. It's a family defined by incredible adaptation and amazing variety. Each one of these members has carved out its own unique place in the ocean, from the sunny surface all the way down to the abyss. And that's really the secret to their success. The reason this ancient lineage has survived for so long isn't just about producing the biggest, baddest predator around. It's about evolutionary diversity, the ability to adapt and fill completely different jobs in the ecosystem. That's what allows a lineage to survive for millions of years, no matter what changes the oceans throw at them. It really just makes you think, doesn't it? If one single family that we thought we knew so well can hide this much variety and so many surprises, just imagine what other incredible stories of evolution are still waiting for us, hidden down there in the depths.